What's good? Welcome to the channel. First official video. We got a mukbang. Of course, we love to eat. What we got? We got Whataburger. Can't go wrong with the Whataburger. Texas classic. But yeah, we gonna switch it up. We gonna do a
sweet and spicy bacon burger. If you ain't never tried it before, I put you on.
It's alright. Can't go wrong with the water chicken. For sure. But yeah, we're gonna do a would you rather question. Would you rather have to announce to everyone around you whenever you have to fart, or you gotta pee your pants daily?
Hold on, let me.
So would you rather have to tell people, everybody around you, every time you fart, like the whole room, like, hey everybody, I gotta fart?
I be doing that anyways.
Or have to pee your pants daily?
I'll probably say pee my pants.
Why you gotta pee your pants?
Cause I get to wear a diaper.
That's pretty interesting.
I don't know, that's tough, cause peeing your pants,
It is.
even with a diaper, like,
It is, man.
boy, that would be heavy. You walking around with a diaper booty, boy.
No, sir. Not me.
Alright, you pick the next one. Oh, you got one of his?
Mm-hmm.
Man, his food, a lot to you, hidden on me.
Would you rather make $100 every time you sneeze, or have $1 million once every 5 years?
Say it again?
$100 every time you sneeze, or $1 million once every 5 years?
$1 million once every 5 years? Or $100 every time you sneeze?
I mean,
$100 every time I sneeze. Cause I'm
For
gonna be
sure.
sneezing every day, all day.
wait, every 5 years? That's like a long time.
That's a long time to wait till 5. I'm pretty
But
sure I can
$1
make
million
it.
for sure.
I'm pretty
Would
sure I can
last
make
5 years.
But I'm pretty sure I can make. Think about it. How many times you sneeze? A lot of times.
I really don't be
Ooh.
sneezing like that though.
I gotta go. Alright. Would you rather be a tree or have to live in a tree for the rest of your life?
Oh, for sure, living with.
You gotta live in a tree then for the rest of your life?
Yeah, a tree house, live at a tree house.
Not a tree house, a tree.
What you mean?
Like a whole tree, fool. Like you
You
gotta
make it a tree house?
Nah, you gotta just live in a tree. Like Tarzan.
I'll for sure live in a tree with it.
Man,
I can't be no tree, bro.
I'm finna be a tree, boy. Sturdy as hell, boy. Ain't
Wait,
nobody messing with me.
Gripping.
I couldn't see myself living in that tree.
I
Like,
can't see myself being
bring,
no tree, bro.
how you
Like,
gonna
I'll
bring
be bored.
how you gonna bring somebody over? Exactly.
What you gonna do as a tree? Like, you don't get no play.
What you mean? How you think we grow? Planted them seeds.
No, bro. Would you rather begin every sentence with "Hey, idiot," or end every sentence with "Ha ha, I was just kidding"?
That's hard. So you gotta either begin every sentence with "Hey, idiot," or you gotta end your sentence, "Ha, I was kidding."
I think I'm gonna say "Hey, idiot."
Yeah. Cause then you can say I was just kidding.
Hell yeah.
Cause if you gotta end all your sentences with like, I was just kidding,
And then
people ain't gonna take you for real.
You know what I
They
mean?
ain't gonna never take you serious. Alright, let me see. That's a good question right here. Would you rather live one life that lasts 1,000 years, or live 10 lives that last 100 years each? So that's like, yeah, same thing, right? But you can have 10 different lives, I guess.
Yeah, I wanna have.
Would you rather live your one life by
Yeah.
yourself?
So you
So
get
that
to
mean-
start over every time? Like from a baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would want to do that.
But it'll be a new life.
Oh, so you want like remember that?
Yeah, I don't know. I guess I guess you would, but you wouldn't be the same person. You'd be a new person.
Right. I'm gonna do the 10 lives.
The 10 lives, the last.
Cause I'd be 10 different people every time.
I probably would too, cause I don't think I could be myself for 1,000 years.
Yeah.
You know how many people you would have seen like go and die. Like I want to be a whole new or do something different. Ooh, which one you finna do? You got some on there?
$3,000.
The first one?
The one after this one.
This one? Would you rather have to stay in the house for the rest of your life or travel every day for the rest of your life? I'll travel every day for the rest of my life. So at least you get to experience new things. But if you stuck in your house for the rest of your life, well, that's gonna be a boring life. Cause you can't do nothing. Think about it. Imagine being stuck here
But that's how
for the rest of your life. Boy, imagine being stuck in your room, boy, your room here right now for the rest of your life. Or you get to travel every day.
I think I would stay here with it.
You gonna stay here for the rest of your life?
Yes, cause like people can come over. And I got food
They
and everything, bro.
They could, but still, bro, you can't go nowhere else. Like,
I ain't tripping on it.
how much? Let me see.
What the hell? This one got tomatoes?
You didn't want tomato?
Yeah, I ain't know it came with tomatoes.
Is onions on it?
No. But that's try.
You want to eat tomato? You been eating it though.
I know.
All right, let me see. All right. Would you rather be without elbows or without knees? Which one? So you can't have no elbows or without knees.
Say without knees.
You said without knees? Why?
Because you can get a wheelchair. You know, places. Like,
Sure.
you can get like one of them.
I probably would need. I probably be good without my. But I don't know, cause you can't really have sex with no knees. You can't, bro.
You really can, bro.
No, you can't.
Yeah,
Boy,
dude.
you know what your stroke finna be like? What else finna be stiff, boy? You ain't got no bend in your knees, boy. You finna be straight.
Straight elbows.
Straight elbow. Then you gonna really need your elbows for real.
Oh, shoot. Nah.
I said what I need. I said what I no, I don't need my elbows. I can go without my elbows. Or can I? Nah, cause then all your stuff gonna be straight, boy. You can't, because you don't have no elbows, you can't bend. That mean you can either only have your arm straight down or straight like this. But you finna look like a robot.
I go. Would you rather be broke and have a home or rich and homeless? I'll be rich and homeless. Cause like, if I'm rich, then I'll have a car and I'll just be traveling with it.
I don't understand how can you be rich and be homeless?
I don't know.
Man, quit playing with me, man.
And just not have a home.
Well, you
really
rich.
don't need one.
Yeah, you rich. You don't need a home. You can make your own home. Oh. But if you broke and you have a home, yeah, you got a home, but you still broke. So then that's tough.
I'm gonna be rich.
I guess I'll be rich and homeless. Cause I can at least, like you said, even if I couldn't stay in the house, you got hotels, a car. I could get a nice car, like a Bentley, or something, or a G-Wagon and sleep in the back seat. It's enough space. Or my time? Let me see. Ooh, this is a good one. Would you rather have diarrhea every day for the next 3 months or be constipated every day for the next 3 months? Ooh, that's, I don't know. Because if you constipated, that means your stomach hurt bad. Like, you gotta boo-boo.
I already had that.
You gotta boo-boo, but you gotta boo-boo and you can't. So would you rather be constipated for 3 months or have diarrhea?
For sure, diarrhea with it.
Heck no. Well, I'd rather be constipated because when you have diarrhea, boy, you constantly have to get up and run.
True that.
You gotta do. Yeah, bro, and you gotta do that for 3 months. Any fart can end up being a shark, boy. And now you gotta change your pants out. Unless you wear a diaper like you said you would go to earlier.
You ready?
Yeah.
Would you rather have all your clothes too big or all your shoes too small? You got a cord on like you gonna be wearing the big clothes.
I'm tall to you. I mean, shoot, we used to wear those, so I guess I'm gonna have to go with the big clothes. We just gonna be dressed like 2000, but I can't do those small shoes, but I can have my feet, but your whole heel hanging out the back of your shoe, but you know how niggas, you know how people, you know they just squeeze their feet in the shoe. You don't untie it, and then your shoe, the back heel be pushed in. All your shoes gonna look like that. If you got the small shoes, like you trying to wear your little brother's shoes.
Alright, man. Yeah.
What you gonna do?
I'm
You wear small
I guess
shoes
the
or?
big clothes. Yeah.
Alright.
That's funny. He said like the year 2000.
Go. Food is smacking.
Would you rather? I'm not gonna say this while we eating.
What? Say it.
Would you rather have poop for your mouth or throw up for your ass?
What do you mean?
Like poop from your mouth or throw up
Oh,
from
poop
your
from your
ass?
mouth. Throw up.
Yeah,
Throw up from my ass.
basically diarrhea.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I throw up. I'm not pooping from my mouth. Boy, imagine you been a long turn come out your you know. Imagine, you know, long turns you take a long time sometimes. Might that will get stuck in your throat. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see if I find it. That's stupid. Alright, here we go one. Would you rather eat the same meal for the rest of your life or never use Instagram again?
Never use Instagram.
That's tough, man. Hold on. You know what?
Instagram is kind of addicting.
I'm gonna eat the same meal for the rest of my life.
What you gonna get?
Chick-fil-A.
You gotta get the same thing though. Every time, what you gonna get?
I'm gonna get dang. I'm gonna get the 8 count. Can't never go wrong with that. I think I can survive off of 8 count nuggets and fries for the rest of my life.
I bet you can.
But Instagram a lot because that's why I use promotion and all other stuff. Like so. You got another one?
Would you rather have an ugly girlfriend or an ugly mom?
The ugly girlfriend or ugly mama?
Mm-hmm.
Ugly mama? Can't have no ugly girlfriend. That represent me. See, at least in my mama, I know a lot of people are ugly mama.
Right.
So that's normal life for some people.
Sheesh.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't got that issue, but that's normal life for some people. So, I mean, I think my mama, she probably would want to be ugly, but hey, this ain't her choice, so she gonna be ugly today. What you gonna do?
Oh, no.
You want an ugly girlfriend or you want an ugly mama?
I don't want neither one, but like, if I had to choose, I would say
To your mama?
the ugly mama.
Oh, okay.
Cause like, no, I can't be
That's what I'm
walking
saying,
around
you
with you.
See,
I'm gonna for
Alright.
sure go with the first one.
would you rather be able to stop time or fly?
For sure, stop time with it.
Wait, you know what I can do? If I was able to stop time, boy, I'd do a lot.
Me too.
Like, you can rob banks. You can do a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know if I really be doing illegal stuff, but you can do a lot of stuff. Oh, boy, it's nice.
What?
I go smooth to the Foot Locker.
Oh, me! I was just thinking
Pause.
that.
Come back, get everything by size, and then start time right back up. Like nothing
Get
happened.
all the new releases.
Facts. Let me see. Ooh. Hold on, let me see.
I'll go to the NBA game and dunk on somebody. Just pause while they're in the game and shoot a free throw.
Okay, look, this is confusing. Would you rather wake up with a different face, but be the same gender, or a different gender but the same face? So you can either wake up every day with a different face, but you'll still be a male, or you could be, or you could be a female, but you'll have the same face. Think I'm gonna have a different face.
Me too.
I can't be no female looking like this with the same face.
I can't either, bro.
I don't know.
I don't want to be a female.
Yeah, I don't want to be no female either. You got another one?
I think so.
If you don't, I got one. Another one.
Go ahead.
Would you rather be rich and ugly, or poor and good looking?
For sure, poor and good looking. So like, you could just ask
I
for
rather
spare change and they gonna give it to you because you cute.
I'm kind of already poor and good looking.
Hey.
So I guess I'd rather be rich and ugly. Cause I done seen some ugly people. When you got money, you can get a lot of baddies. So
For real.
I'd rather be rich and ugly.
Would you rather have sex all the time and it be bad, or have sex every now and then and it be good?
So what would every now and then be?
Like every 2 months.
Every 2 months?
Every like once a year type shit.
Once a year? But it'd be great. Or have sex all the time and
It'd
it'd
be
be
great.
bad.
It'd be great.
Or have sex all the time and... Okay, I'm having sex all the time. Okay. I'm finna be putting out a good old show. Girl, that was fine. Girl. You put it on me. You took my soul from me. I ain't even gonna lie to you. All the time in my head, I'm like, boy, this whole trash. This whole trash. I swear on my mama shit. But I'll be back tomorrow.
Oh shit. He said I'll be back tomorrow. Shit.
Oh, it's my turn, huh?
Oh, I thought what?
Would you rather only be able to whisper or only be able to shout?
Yeah, do be whispering.
I probably, dang, I don't know. I probably rather, dang, I don't know. That's
I'll
hard.
be yelling like a motherfucker.
Nah, I'll be whispering. I'll be weird. I don't know. Because if you shouting, they might think something wrong with you. Like you slow or something. Hey! Let me holler at you.
Is somebody right in front of you?
Yeah. Why you so loud? Why you not? Or you whisper.
Oh,
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, how you doing? She be like, huh? Hey, how you doing?
shit.
Yeah, you know my ass. I'm finna be whispering like that.
Oh,
What you gonna do? You whisper or you shout?
But shout.
Oh, you finna be shouting? Oh, shit, I'll tell you. Psst, excuse me. Excuse me. Every day. I gotta use a little baking phone when I whisper. Excuse me. And then come out on the other end. Excuse me.
Oh, shoot.
I'm waiting for you. You got another one?
Nah.
Alright, let me do it more. Alright, we're gonna do one more.
I'll be back with you.
Gonna have to edit this. When you get that?
Rain out of food.
When you get that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, this is the last question. Would you rather live without? Would you rather live without music
TV.
or live without TV?
Without
Definitely
live.
without TV. I can live without music.
Me either, bro. Like, music, like,
That's life.
for real, it really is.
Like if I ain't had no music, I couldn't live.
Me either, bro.
TV, I can live without TV though. For sure, for sure.
Music help me relax.
For sure. Do a lot. But yeah, man, we don't wanna hold y'all up too long.
From the travel.
But yeah, this is the first video. If you like what y'all saw, click that like button over there. Yeah, comment down below any suggestions for any ideas y'all want to see, any video ideas, all that stuff. Click that subscribe button. Share with your family, friends, all that good stuff. And yeah,
your cats, your dogs, your mamas,
facts.
your grandmas, your aunties, your babies, your sisters-in-law, your cousins-in-law.
Yep. Even your ugly coworkers that you don't like.
Them ugly motherfuckers.
Share.
Them annoying ones. I wouldn't know. I don't got no job.
Don't, but I do. But hey.
You got some ugly coworkers?
Ugly ain't even the word. But we ain't gonna speak on that though. But yeah, y'all, yeah, we out. Yeah.